Hello, and welcome to Chicken Journals Day 187. Miss Frizzle has finally joined the other chickens on the perch. What a lovely day. We're celebrating by playing some music. So let us just kick back, ruffle your feathers up, and chill out. Well, let's just have a look and see if she's had a little egg today, eh? Can you see anything in there? What's that? Oh my gosh, that's an egg skis! A green egg! How delightful. Thank you, Miss Frizzle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You didn't see anything. Enjoy the music. But you're not up here anymore. Oh, Miss Frizzle. I don't just take your eggs and eat them. No, don't go ever look. Oh, you poor girl. Well, it is night time, so I should leave these young birds to go to sleep. Shinobi 1, trust no one, believe nothing, and question everything. Camera drop.